crystal clear.
Yeah. I just want to show this
Yes.
one to our viewers. Let's have a look. This is the water, as the collected water, and this is the treated water. You can see.
Every day, immeasurable liter of water is flowing through all our cities. Have you ever thought what happened next? What happened to these waters? Here actually the innovation meets the necessity. Right now, I am in one of our latest accomplishments, state-of-the-art sewage treatment plant. We built it for Apisorelia Romania. This project not just represent our technical expertise, but also this actually showcase our win-win collaboration with two international firms, Shaastec and Apisorelia Romania. This facility is designed and built to accommodate the capacity of 600 cubic meters. Shaastec did all the civil and mechanical works. This is the sewage collection tank. Okay, we have excavated all this area. Then we did the plain cement concreting. Then above that one we put the raft foundation here. Then all the walls we made with the reinforced cement concrete, and the top is precast slab. You can see that one. The main beauty of this sewage collection tank is we have applied the specialized coating all over inside these areas. After the sewage collection tank, we have made this slab. Actually, this is a grade slab with a 25 centimeter thickness for this STP unit. Then along with that one, you can see that one, that is the control panel. All the operation is controlled from that control panel. It's with the sandwich panel. Then after that one, there will be a treated tank also, treated water tank also is there. Like that we made this project. At Shaastec we collaborate with Apisorelia from start to finish. I can say from the planning, from the designing, and from procurement, and from the construction, until to the handing over stage. Like that we support. Like that we support our clients. Attention to details of each stage, that makes this project a huge success. Now I would like to introduce the man behind this project, the visionary behind this project, the country manager of Apisorelia Romania, Mr. Florin.
Hi, Florin. Welcome, Fawaz. Welcome. Thank you. Great to be here.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Florin. Thank you
Okay.
giving this
Okay.
wonderful opportunity.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, Florin, actually, I have already explained about this what Shaastec has did in the construction part.
Yes.
But as our viewers, of course, they just need to know more about the technical part of
Yes.
this treatment
Okay.
plant. So, would you mind to explain a little bit more about the technical part?
Sure. It's short description because there are many details.
Yeah. Okay. That's
First of all, I want to thank you, Fawaz. Thank you for Shaastec team. Very nice collaboration we have together. And they help us because they're a Romanian company. They help us to build here a treatment plant, a nice treatment plant. Regarding this project, I want to tell you something. This is a treatment plant called MBBR, Microbiological Moving Reactor. It's a new technology. In a small space, it's possible to treat 400 cubic meters per day. Please, if you want to show you, this treatment have three stages: mechanical stage, biological stage, and clarification and disinfection stage. Now we have here the collection point. Our tanker discharges the water here. Our operator takes the pH continuously to monitorize the water. After the collection tank, we are going in the first stage. This is the mechanical treatment. In mechanical treatment, we have a technology with bubble air to remove the sand and grease from the water. Also, we have a screening to remove the big part which are in the sewage water. After this, the water is clean, but it's not so clean in depth. The microbes are there. Now we are going in the second part, biological treatment. Biological treatment is happened in this package. We have three areas: aeration, without air, and clarification. Okay. Inside we have some we have now the blower start. We have some plastic material with the bacteria adhere to this plastic, and this plastic goes through the water with the air. And in this plastic we have bacteria. These bacteria have the important role after the bacteria make the job. They wait for another water nitrogen because this raw water is the food for the bacteria. The third step after the treatment, please.
So that is the initial.
Yes, this is the initial. This is biological treatment.
Okay.
Now here we have the two blowers. The blowers are more important in the treatment plant because they assure the oxygen for the bacteria. The bacteria need oxygen and food. Oxygen we provide, and the food comes from the raw water. Okay. After the biological treatment, yes, we have here the control room. control room is the heart of the treatment plant. From here it's possible to coordinate all the equipment inside the treatment plant.
So Florin, from here the whole control is happening for this STP, right?
Yes, this is the heart of the treatment plant.
Okay.
As I told you, here we have control to all the equipment, electrical equipment, especially from the treatment plant.
Okay.
Starting from mixer, starting from lifting pump, starting from aeration, starting from blower, starting from sand filter, and finally with the water from the disposal in the water tanker for disposal to irrigation.
That's good.
All the records from the beginning of the project to the end of the project, we have here, status. Flow meter, everything is there.
Now biological is finished, right?
Yes.
So let's. This is the final stage. Now
Yes.
let's explain. Let's,
The major job we all do it already,
Okay.
but now we need to give some nice face to this water. Okay, means we try to remove the bacteria and microbes, which is more dangerous.
Okay.
Because this, as I told you, this water comes from the toilet,
Okay.
from the canteen, from the
Okay.
house.
Okay.
So we need to remove all this contaminated microbiology. So for this step, we have the third treatment stage.
Okay.
This is the chlorination. Here with the pipe,
Okay.
we inject chlorine, drop by drop.
Okay.
All the microbes will die, coliform and fecoid and everything. After this, we remove the microbes. We need to give the nice face to the water to be clear, to be pure, and we have a sand filter. And filter means 3 layers of sand, different dimension, and the water come with the pressure to the, like in a straw, and the water become clear. Here I want to show you the final result of our job in 400 cubic meter. This is, Mr. Vaz, the
Yeah.
inlet water.
So it is coming. From,
Yes, this is the inlet raw water.
Okay.
And this is the outlet water. Our results.
Oh, okay. So it's crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
Yeah. I just want to show this
Yes.
one to our viewers. Okay. Let's have a look. So this is the water. This is the collected water, and this is the treated water. You can see.
Yes.
It's really unbelievable.
Yes. And now
Okay.
all the water is stored in the second tank,
Okay.
made by Shaastec,
Okay.
very good quality.
Yeah.
It's a 600 cubic meter tank.
Okay.
In this tank we store the water until our consumer come to collect the water and to send to plantation.
Yeah. Like,
Yes, the water. Please, if it's possible to start the pump.
okay. This is the tanker. So that
Yes.
is carrying.
Yes, this is the tanker. Now it's possible to see live how the water goes in the tanker.
Yeah.
And all this water go to the plantation.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
this is.
thank you.
Thank you,
Florin,
Fawaz.
for this wonderful explanation.
Yes, it's not
Okay.
a wonderful, but
Okay.
we are happy because together we make a good project, Apisorelia and Shaastec
So
together,
how-
and
no,
hopefully in future we have a good relation and it's possible to develop more projects
Sure,
here in.
more pleasure. More
Yes,
pleasure.
yes. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this video. If you really need to construct a sewage treatment plant to protect our environment with a more sustainable way, either you can call us or DM for more support. Thank you very much.